Hey everybody, hope you're having a good day. Welcome to my channel. To those of you who haven't been here before, this video I'm announcing another giveaway, and this is going to go until Christmas time. And I'm actually doing two giveaways. I'm starting two giveaways. One is going to end at the end of November, and one's going to end just before Christmas or just before New Year. So it'll go till the end of the year. So if you haven't checked out my video for the other giveaway, it's sponsored by Jane Davenport, and I'm giving away some of her books that she sent me. So definitely check that one out. And I'll put the link to that giveaway. Actually, I'll put it up there. Okay, so that's that giveaway. But this video is specifically for another giveaway, and it is just kind of a fun everything giveaway. I usually do like a theme, like alcohol ink themed, or a brand theme, or watercolor theme. This one is, basically it's a mixed media theme. And I have, I always go and pick things up for giveaways in the store when I see a good deal or coupon. But I also have lots of things in my studio. And if you saw my video with the studio tour, I will put the link for that one. And this is good. It's going to be in the playlist that you have to watch. It's I have a lot of things that I can give away just because I have so much stuff. But it's not like used or crappy or stuff like that. So, and if I do give away some of my used stuff that I'm no longer, or that I can't use or whatever, just because I have two of or whatever, I will always let you know. And it still won't be crappy stuff. So basically how my giveaways work is I put everything that you need to watch in that playlist. So like my giveaway that Jane Davenport is sponsored is going to have a playlist of its own with its own videos that you need to watch. And this video will have a playlist of its own. And sometimes the videos, I think because I have these two giveaways overlapping, I'm going to put some of the videos in both. So if you watch them in one playlist, you've watched them in the other playlist. And so you need to watch each video. You need to comment on each video. Please make sure you don't miss any of the videos. If you comment on each one, but you miss one, I can't count it because it's, you know, it's not fair to people that did comment on each one. And I try to be very clear and make sure you know when all the videos are up, because, you know, it's not just like I put them all up at once. They will be going up until, you know, the week before the giveaway. So you got to click the little notification bell so that you don't miss any of the new videos that you need to watch. So you need to comment on each video, and you need to give a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and you need to be subscribed to me. So just a few things that I have here. I have some brushes. I have stamps, random stamps. I have more than what I'm showing you here. I have watercolor, and I have some Antique Brilliance wax from Art Alchemy. I have a few other things from Art Alchemy. I have some watercolor tubes, and I think I might have some Daniel Smith watercolors that I'm going to be giving away, and I'm going to be collecting lots of stuff because I want to do this like it's Christmas. So Christmas is my favorite holiday. If it can't be warm in summer, then might as well have Christmas. After Christmas, I need winter to go away because I'm not a winter person. But I love winter at Christmas for like December. And then I'm done with it. Yeah, so Christmas is like one of my favorite times of the year. And I go overboard with gift giving. So I'm like, you know what? I'm doing a giveaway. I always do giveaways. Let's do a really big one. So I have two going. The Jane Davenport one, where there's 3 winners for that one. So you definitely want to enter that if you're interested in all. There's 3 winners. You each get 2 books, 2 of her books. And then there's this one, which I'm going to give like lots of fun stuff. So this is the first video for this one, and I am just going to call it Christmas Giveaway. There we go. Christmas giveaway. I found a name. Yay. But I'm going to be doing lots of fun videos. I'm not going to put myself into a box for this one. Just like whatever fun videos. There's some that are just going to be watercolor. There's some that are going to be mixed media. There's some that are going to be sketching, drawing, all sorts of things. I will see you on the next video.